In this video, we're exploring advanced SQL operators and clauses, diving into how they can refine, organize, and enhance your database queries. Let's begin with an outline of what we'll cover. First, we'll discuss the in and like operators, which are essential for filtering data based on specific values or patterns. Next, we'll move on to the distinct and order by clauses, used for organizing and deduplicating results. We'll then look at how limiting clauses can control the number of rows returned in a query. Finally, we'll wrap up with practical examples that combine these clauses to tackle real-world scenarios. The in operator allows you to filter rows that match any value in a specified list. This is great for narrowing down results to only the ones you need. The like operator, on the other hand, uses patterns to find matches. It can match text strings based on wildcard characters, making it a powerful tool for searching when exact matches aren't feasible. The distinct clause ensures that your query results contain only unique values, eliminating duplicates from your output. For instance, if a column contains repeated entries, distinct simplifies it to display each value just once. The order by clause allows you to arrange your query results in a specific order, either ascending or descending. You can even sort by multiple columns to achieve more complex ordering. This is particularly useful when presenting data in a logical, human-readable format. Limiting clauses are perfect for managing large datasets. They restrict the number of rows returned, which improves efficiency, depending on the database system. You might use limit, top, or fetch to achieve this. These clauses are especially helpful when working with ordered results, ensuring you retrieve only the most relevant entries. Finally, let's look at practical applications. By combining clauses, you can construct powerful queries. For example, you can filter by country code, ensure names are unique, and order the results alphabetically, all in one statement. Another example is retrieving only the top entries sorted by population, which is both efficient and insightful. To summarize, we explored how the in and like operators help refine query filtering with specific values or patterns. We saw how the distinct clause ensures uniqueness in results and how the order by clause organizes data in ascending or descending order. We also discussed how limiting clauses like limit, top, and fetch restrict the number of rows returned, making queries more efficient. Together, these advanced SQL clauses empower you to retrieve, filter, and present data effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on data science and technology. See you next time.